सागर संगम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम कलाम कलाम सलाम सलाम।
You must have a dream, continuously acquire knowledge, hard work and perseverance. One should not be afraid of problems.
दिल में सोना जब दमकेगा तब आदम इंसान होगा। जिस घर में इंसान बसते हो वो घर जग रोशन होगा। दिल से दिल तक राह बना ले घर तीर्थ मंदिर होगा। आँख तेरी जब आंसू उसके तब ये सफल जीवन होगा। दीन इलाही राम राज की राह पे चल के हमको दिखाया। सलाम 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 बुद्ध न देखा गांधी न देखा, देखा तुझे सब कुछ देखा। तू जमीन पर शांति दूत है दिग दिगंत का भी ज्ञाता। तू अंतरिक्ष की लेता उड़ाने और हृदय में उतर जाता। जहाँ गया वहाँ
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's thoughts. Every teacher once was a student. Every winner once was a loser. Every expert once was a beginner. But all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. Thank you.
Speak on World Student Day. 15 October is observed as World Student Day. It is marked on APJ Abdul Kalam birthday. 2021 theme is learning for people, plant, prosperity and peace. Thank you.
वाचाल तर वाचाल.
Am, he, if, in, is, it, me, my, no, of, on, so, to, us, we, all, and.
Bubble, the straw, and the shoe. Once upon a time, there lived a bubble, a straw, and a shoe.
Once I say a little bird coming hop hop hop, so I say out little bird where you stop stop.
Tomato was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango.
Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sing, rain falling or a singer chanting anything in Eastern. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work and even in your rest.
Patrick never did his homework, too boring. He said he played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing.
एक परी थी, उसका तल लाल कमल की पंखुड़ियों जैसा कोमल था, उसके चेहरे से भोलापन टपकता था।
APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is not an even name.
He served India as the 11th president. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameshwar, Tamil Nadu. Because of his work in the field of science and especially molecules and rocks, he is also called the Millicent Man of India. He was a focus scientist. He worked with organizations like DRDO and ISRO.
Hello everyone, I am Aradhya Pal. I study in 7th standard from Poonam Nagar MPS CBSE school. I am going to share some thoughts of APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. You can't change your future, but you can change your habit, and your habit can surely change your future. Without beginning, you can't taste the fail and you can't be successful. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Every pain give a lesson, and every lesson changes the.
Hello everyone, myself Riya Gupta from Standard 7. I'm going to say quotes said by APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. Second is, don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is darkness. Third is, if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. End means not the end. It means effort never dies. If you get no answer, remember no means next opportunity. Thank you.
APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was great scientist and idol teacher and the President of India. His full name was Dr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1937 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu.